How to make homemade strawberry coffee cake. Delicious recipe. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we've got a treat for you, a homemade strawberry coffee cake recipe that's perfect for your morning coffee or tea. It's moist, full of strawberry goodness, and incredibly delicious. So, let's jump right into the ingredients. For the cake, 1-2 cups all-purpose flour, 2-1 cup granulated sugar, 3-1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 4-2 large eggs, 5-1 cup plain yogurt, 6-1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 7-1 teaspoon baking powder, 8-1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 9 pinch of salt, 10-1.5 cups fresh strawberries, diced. For the streusel topping, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 2-1/4 cup granulated sugar, 3-1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 4-1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. For the glaze, 1/1/2 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk, 3/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Preparation. Step 1. Prepare the cake batter. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and greasing a 9 by 9 inch, 23 by 23 centimeters, baking pan. Step 2. Combine dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. Combine the 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick whisk to mix everything evenly. Step 3. Cream the butter and sugar in another bowl. Cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Step 4. Add eggs and vanilla. Add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the butter and sugar mixture. Mix well until it's fully incorporated. Step 5. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Alternate adding the dry mixture and 1 cup of plain yogurt into the wet mixture, starting and ending with the dry mixture. Mix until everything is just combined. Step 6. Add strawberries. Gently fold in 1.5 cups of diced fresh strawberries into the batter. Step 7. Make streusel topping in a small bowl. Mix together 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of cold cubed unsalted butter, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Step 8. Assemble and bake. Pour the cake batter into the greased baking pan. Sprinkle the streusel topping evenly over the batter. Step 9. Bake in the preheated oven for 40-45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 10. Make the glaze while the cake is cooling. Prepare the glaze by mixing 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1-2 tablespoons of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it forms a smooth consistency. Step 11. Drizzle the glaze. Once the cake has cooled slightly, drizzle the glaze over the top for that extra touch of sweetness. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. And there you have it, a delightful homemade strawberry coffee cake that's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another delicious recipe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.